So this is what the render looks like when we have the backdrop in position. If I just get that out of the way a bit, you can see, here's the rib cage. This white line represents the plane that we put the bend deformer on. And then this light here is our fill light. And you can see it's behind, so it's not influencing the render. Another thing you want to be careful of, the bend deformer and the plane are not connected. So if you start moving the plane around, it will lose its shape relative to the bend deformer. So if I move this, you see it's going to change it. Okay, you can kind of see that purple line changing. So let's undo that. So what we want to do is to select the bend deformer first. We're going to make that a child, and we're going to shift select the plane second, and we're going to say edit parent. So what that does is it makes the plane the parent of the child. So wherever the plane moves, the child will move with it. I can still go in and edit the child independently, but I can be sure that when I move the plane, that plane will take the bend handle with it. Now, to solve our problem with the light, in other words, to get the reflected light back in here, the fill light, what I'm going to do is go to the outliner, and I'm going to select the light and the plane. Okay, so I'm using actually the command key on my Mac. I think it's the control key on the Windows. So I have those two selected. I'm in the rendering menu set. Okay, so I usually am in the modeling, and I change the rendering. And under this lighting shading option, I'm going to say break links. And when I do that, what you'll see is the render will now, the light will ignore the plane and will shine on the surface. So when you render, it is as if the backdrop was not between the light and the plane. Remember, that's the backdrop. The light, I think, is back here. Yeah, that's my fill light. Okay, so that's a way to do that, and that's helpful not only in this case, but a lot of times you want to add a color to a surface, and you want to do that by using a light. And you can do the opposite. Instead of breaking surfaces, you can make the lights link so that a surface and a light are linked, but no other surface receives that light color. And we'll